What management controls can you put in place to ensure that you will deliver the desired output in the planned timeframe? How do you, your team, or the management know when a project is going well or when it's starting to struggle? Project managers are often challenged by determining whether or not a project is successful, especially since those involved may have different perspectives on what successful completion looks like. In traditional projects, project team meetings occur where the project manager provides an update by reporting the percentage completion of particular tasks or milestones. In Agile projects, the progress monitoring is based on the following Agile principles. The most efficient and effective method of conveying information with and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. And business people and developers work together daily throughout the project.